Hello, my name is Asanda and I'm presenting part B of my NST assignment. For this project, I chose grade 6, Natural Sciences and Technology, under the topic of Planet Earth and Beyond, Movement of the Moon and the Earth. I selected this topic because many learners struggle to imagine the movements of the Earth, Sun, and the Moon, and how these movements cause day and night, seasons, and phases of the Moon. It is an important concept in the CAPS curriculum because it helps learners connect science to real-life observations that they see every day. Why this is a manipulative. The manipulative I chose is a 3D printable model of the Earth, Moon, and the Sun system. I chose this because it provides a hands-on visual representation of how these celestial bodies move. Instead of only reading about it or seeing a diagram, learners can physically rotate the Earth, revolve it around the Sun, and move the Moon around the Earth. This makes the concept more concrete and helps learners who learn better through touch and movement, not just through listening or reading. The lesson integration. In my lesson, I will first ask learners a simple question, which is, why do we have day and night? After a short discussion, I will use my manipulative to demonstrate. I'll rotate the Earth model to show how day and night occur, then revolve it around the Sun to explain seasons, and finally move on to the Moon around the Earth and explain the phases of the Moon. After my demonstration, learners will work in small groups and take turns handling the model themselves. This will give them the opportunity to actively engage with the content. Visual learners will observe the model, and anesthetic learners will handle it, and auditory learners will benefit from the group discussions and explanations. Finally, I will assess their understanding by asking them to complete a short quiz and to use the manipulative to answer one oral question. In conclusion, I chose this topic because it is relevant to learners' everyday lives, and the manipulative because it helps them visualize and understand a difficult concept. By integrating the model into the lesson, I can support different learning styles, increase engagement, and help learners develop a deeper understanding of how the Earth, Moon, and the Sun interact. Thank you.